Writty is making waves in generative AI, but before you dive in, here are 12 key things you need to know that could save you time, money, and frustration. Stick around because there's a better alternative you can try for free. First, Writty's AI-powered tools focus on text generation, from drafting content to improving grammar and tone. It's straightforward, but when compared to competitors like Jasper or Grammarly, its customization options feel limited. If you need highly tailored results, this could be a drawback. Next, Writty's interface is clean and beginner-friendly, but that simplicity comes at a cost. Advanced users might find it lacks depth, especially in features like multi-language support or intricate formatting options, which are standard with more established platforms. The third thing is pricing. While Writty is competitively priced, some of its features are locked behind premium plans. If you're looking for a robust free tier, options like ChatGPT or Copy.ai might give you more for nothing up front. Here's another factor. Writty excels in speed, generating text quickly without a noticeable drop in quality. However, the content often requires manual polishing, especially for complex or niche topics where competitors seem to perform better. Next, integrations are worth mentioning. Writty works with basic tools like Word and Google Docs, but it falls short in seamless API integrations, which are essential for scaling workflows in larger teams or businesses. The sixth thing is its AI's learning curve. Writty is decent at generating general content, but struggles with industry-specific jargon or advanced prompts. Tools like Jasper or Writesonic tend to handle these scenarios with more accuracy. Let's talk about updates. Writty isn't as agile as some of its competitors in rolling out new features or fixing issues. This could be a problem if you rely on cutting-edge functionality or frequent upgrades. The eighth point is customer support. Writty offers email-based support but lacks 24/7 live chat or phone options. For businesses that need instant problem solving, this could be a deal breaker compared to platforms with dedicated support teams. Another key point is plagiarism detection. Writty includes this feature, but it's not as advanced as tools like Copyscape or Grammarly, where accuracy and depth are much more reliable. Here's the 10th thing. Writty's AI doesn't store prompts or user preferences effectively over time, meaning you'll likely repeat inputs for similar tasks. Competitors with memory or contextual history features can save you significant effort. Another consideration is mobile functionality. While Writty has a web-based design optimized for mobile, it doesn't have a dedicated app. Competing tools often include fully featured apps that make on-the-go work seamless. Finally, scalability is where Writty truly shows its limitations. It's a great tool for individuals or small businesses, but larger enterprises may find its lack of advanced team management or bulk content capabilities restricting. Overall, Writty is a solid choice for straightforward, small-scale needs. But if you're serious about leveraging generative AI to its full potential, you need a more powerful, versatile solution. Check out our recommended alternative. It's free to try and offers unmatched value.